Hi, welcome to Innovatronics. This is our one of the project that is smart helmets. In this project, we are implemented in the project in a real-time helmet. So this is a real-time Honda company helmet. So this helmet we are added two component. One is alcohol sensor and another one is limit switch. I explained how the function is working one by one. So now I am explain what are the feature we are implemented in this project. So first option is smart helmet. For an example, if you want to drive the bike, you should wear the helmet. Second thing is drunken drive. If the person is drunk, the system will automatically identify by using the gas sensor, like that is alcohol sensor. And third thing is you can track your bike in your Google Map, which means if the bike is stolen, you can easily track the bike with help of the Google Map. That's why we are here. We are added one GPS model. So this is a GPS model. This is antenna. And another thing is if the bike is accident, it will automatically identify the send a SMS to corresponding number. So this is vibration sensor. If the bike is getting accident, this sensor will automatically getting more vibration signal. After that, the signal will send to the microcontroller. It will automatically identify, then sending the SMS to corresponding person by using the GSM modem. And the fourth option is here we are added one temperature sensor. This is temperature sensor. This system, why we are added here, this sensor will automatically identify the temperature sensor. If the engine is become overheating, this system will automatically give the alert SMS to alarm to the driver. Okay, fine. So now I am explaining the component detail. So before that, I want to show the demo. So first you have to power on your helmet part. Okay, here I am added one HW battery. You can see that here I am added one HW battery. So simply I am going to power on it. I connected. Okay, power on. If the system is powered on, this red LED will automatically glowing. Okay, fine. And second option is this gas sensor also automatically glowing red signal, which means red LED it will glowing, which means power come for gas sensor also. Okay, after that you have to switch on the kit part. I'm going to switch it on. Okay, now its power is on. So now the main thing is if the helmet is properly connected, this 4 LED get off condition, this one LED should on condition. Okay, this way you can easily identify the helmet part is and kit is connected or not. Okay, fine. Now see the LCD, it will checking the network, which means here we are added to GSM, so it will checking the signal is received or not, which means the tower is received or not. Okay, now everything is ready. Okay, please wear your helmet. It's showing please wear your helmet because I'm still now I'm not wearing the helmet, that's why it's showing. So this is your bike. For demo purpose, I added one DC motor. You can show your real-time bike also. Okay, and the second thing is the GPS signal also established. You see the red signal, red LED, it will glowing, which means signal also established. Okay, and one more thing, this is the GSM. You have to note on this point. Okay, this is a signal LED. If the signal is properly connected, which means the GSM modems received a signal, this LED will glow slowly like that. Okay, every 3 seconds one time it will glow. If the signal is not connected, it will blinking fastly. Okay, fine. Now everything is completed. Now I am going to first show the smart helmet logic. Okay, if the helmet is weird, okay, wait a minute, the person is weird, this limit switch will automatically going to lock condition. Okay, I am going to press it manually. You can see that now I am going to press it manually. Now I am pressed it. What happened? Motor will getting rotation, relay is also tuned on. You can see the LCD. Happy journey. Heat temp, which means engine temperature is 30 degree. Okay, if the helmet is I am wearing. Okay, if I open, which means I am I am not wearing, the system will automatically give the buzzer. Engine going to off within 10 seconds. See that. So without 10 within 10 seconds you have to wear, otherwise the system will automatically getting switched off. Okay, now again I am going to show the demo. I am going to press it manually. Again pressed, what happened, it will automatically going to turn on. Okay, so I'm going to open it, which means remove the helmet. I removed it. You can see that I removed. So see the conditions. Within 10 seconds you have to wear it, otherwise the system will automatically off. Okay, and I'm showing the third demo. Third demo I am also opened, it will giving alarm. So within 10 seconds I am going to wear it. Okay, I weared, what happened? System is still now running. Okay, so that is the major concept of the project. Okay, fine. And now I am going to show the vibration input. Wait a minute. Mr. Tangapandian, vibration sensor signal கொடுங்க. Give the signal to vibration sensor. அதை டச் பண்ணுங்க, வேகமாக டச் பண்ணுங்க. Wait a minute. If the vibration is occur, the system will automatically send SMS to corresponding number and the bike also turned off. Okay, டச் பண்ணுங்க, vibration sensor டோருக்கு பாருங்க, டச் பண்ணுங்க, வேகமாக, ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக கொடுங்க, கிட்டு மேலே கொடுங்க, இன்னும் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக கொடுங்க. Okay, now accident is occurred. You can see that accident SMS alert also sent to corresponding number. Okay, the bike is also turned off. So this way we can easily identify the accident information, and you can track your GPS live location also. So now SMS also sent to the corresponding number. Okay, thank you for watching. For more detail, call below number. I will explain all the details. Thank you.